Just a farmer back, give you an update on my Appalachian Trail adventure. I had a knee replacement on February 24th, and I'm getting ready to have another one June 24th, which is tomorrow. And you can see my knee's still swelled up, but you can see how straight this knee is, and my other knee still bows out. So after my surgery tomorrow, the knees should be touching. And once I slow down, quit being so busy farming, I'm hoping the swelling will go down out of this knee. It's been 4 months since I had the replacement. And I'm still hoping to walk the Appalachian Trail starting January of 2020. So I'll keep you updated after my surgery on this knee. This is September 10th. It's been 11 weeks since my left knee surgery. 11 weeks in one day. And my knees are closer together now, not so bow-legged. I'm still having a little problem with the left knee clicking a little bit. They said it was because of swelling. And this knee still has a little bulge on it right there. But I'm still planning on walking the Appalachian Trail starting January of 2020. They said it could take a year to year and a half for the swelling to go down out of your knees for a complete recovery. So I'm still hoping I'll be all right for the 2020 hiking season. Just wanted to give an update on how my knees was doing, and the surgery went well. It's a kind of a painful surgery for the first couple of weeks, but I've been getting all my farming done and going to start harvesting towards the end of September, hopefully, and have all my work caught up to start in January of 2020 and come back around April of 2020 to plant corn and beans, and then go back to finish the Appalachian Trail before harvest of that year. So stay tuned, and I'll try to keep you updated on my recovery. Thanks.